If I handed you $1,000 today, would you spend it or would you invest it? That single decision could completely change your financial future. Your first $1,000 isn't valuable because of its size. It's valuable because it teaches you how wealth is actually built, and that's where your journey begins. Most beginners don't lose money because investing is risky. They lose money because they chase excitement instead of building wealth. The biggest mistake is believing you have to get rich quickly. Real wealth is built slowly, one smart investment at a time. Before you buy your very first investment, you need protection because one emergency can destroy months of financial progress. An emergency fund won't make you rich, but it will stop unexpected problems from keeping you poor. Before your money can work for you, stop it from working for the bank. High interest debt is one of the biggest enemies of wealth. Think of high interest debt as a hole in your financial bucket. Fix the leak first, then every dollar you invest can finally grow. Now that you're protected and debt-free, it's time to let your money start working for you. Opening an investment account only takes a few minutes, but the decision can change the next few decades of your life. You don't need to pick the next Apple or the next Nvidia. You can own hundreds of great companies with a single ETF. The goal isn't to find one winning stock. The goal is to own the entire market. The best investors don't wait for the perfect time. They invest consistently, month after month. Time in the market almost always beats timing the market. Stay consistent, stay patient, and let compounding do the work. Every dollar your investments earn has two choices: spend it or reinvest it. The wealthy choose to make their money work again. Compounding isn't magic. It's simply money earning money again and again for years. Never let one investment decide your future. The smartest investors spread their risk instead of gambling everything. Diversification won't make you rich overnight, but it can help protect your wealth for decades. The stock market rewards patience, not panic. The biggest enemy isn't the market, it's your emotions. Successful investors don't try to predict every move. They follow a plan, stay consistent, and let time build their wealth. Compound interest is the greatest advantage a small investor has. Your money starts earning money, then those earnings start earning money too. You don't need thousands of dollars to become wealthy. You simply need to start early, stay consistent, and give your investment time. The final step is surprisingly simple. Stay invested, let time do the heavy lifting. The longer you stay, the more compounding rewards you. Building wealth isn't about luck. It's about simple habits repeated for decades. Start today, stay consistent, and let your money grow. Real wealth isn't measured by what you spend. It's measured by what you leave behind for the next generation. The goal isn't just to become wealthy. The goal is to create freedom that lasts long after you're gone. You don't need $1 million to start investing. You only need your first 1,000. Then repeat the process every single month. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. Start small, stay consistent, and let time build your wealth. Every great investor started with the first step. Not a perfect plan, not perfect timing, just one decision to begin. Your first $1,000 can change your entire future. Start today, stay consistent, trust the process, and let time build your wealth.